this will... Okay, ready? Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage. So driving through Toronto, solo trip again. Plan is to cut down some trees while I'm there by myself. Now, we just apparently had a big snowstorm there a couple days ago with power outages, and yeah, apparently it was really bad. As you can see here, there's nothing. It's +9. It's a beautiful day, but a little anxious going because since the power outage, my internet has not worked, so I have no idea what I'm actually getting into. I don't even know if there's power at the cottage. Apparently it's been restored, but normally my internet comes back up and it's not working, so maybe my Starlink has been destroyed. I have no idea. I don't even know how much snow there is. I know there was quite a bit because my neighbor sent me some pictures from his camera, and there was probably like good 6 inches of snow. But yeah, I have no idea what's going on, so I'm a little scared to what I'm gonna arrive to. There could be downed trees on the property, who knows, so it could be really messy. Luckily, if there is no power, luckily it hasn't been that cold, so hopefully nothing froze inside. But even so, the place is gonna be cold because I can't even turn up the furnace ahead of my arrival like I normally do, so it's going to be pretty chilly in there. But anyways, that's what the wood stove is for. Less concerned about that, more concerned about you know, a tree laying on top of my Starlink dish or something else. So anyways, I will give you guys an update once I get there. I got another 3 hours to go, so hopefully it's a smooth drive, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I get there. Can't even get in, guys. Drive through my neighbor's property. Stuck. You lost some branches. Oh, Starlink dish is there, so that's a good sign. We got power. Oh, look at all the flies. Hey guys, well, I made it, obviously. Everything's okay. So I'm gonna walk down the driveway and see what the damage is. I know one tree's fallen right by the entrance, so I couldn't actually get in. Starlink is working, so I have like a battery surge protector UPS thing, and Starlink is actually plugged into the battery side, and I guess because the power was out for so long, the thing died and just turned off, so it wouldn't turn back on its own. But that's all it was, so that's good. No frozen pipes. It was actually 12 degrees in here. The furnace is set to 10, so we're good. It is cold. It's only right now, I think 13 and a half degrees. But that's okay. We'll get the wood stove going, warm the place up. But yeah, so far so good. I'm just gonna go check outside and see what the real damage is. Okay, well, we got some branches here. Looks like that tent there didn't do so well. That tarp is totally garbage. Anything bad happen here? doesn't look too bad. It's just this little guy. Looks like he suffered the most. It's too bad because he's right by the road. He's blocking the road. I'll have to cut him down. Okay. So not too bad. And this guy's got to come down. This cap keeps flying off the slate. The problem is the dock is underwater. I don't have the pipe anymore to lift it. Well, let's get unpacked, get suited up, get back to work. And look, my flag again got trashed. I don't even know how this happens. How does that even happen? I gotta tighten this somehow so it doesn't slide off. We'll fix that later. Not a bad day though. A little windy. Okay, first task. I gotta get this guy out by myself. Fixed up right away. Nothing happened. I'll put these away. Do you guys think I'm jinxing things or really not? And of course, a little Pabst action. Mmm. Tastes like yellow water. Yum yum. It's alright. I'm thirsty actually. Well, that's a kick in the pants. Battery's dead. I don't even know how that happened. It's only been 2 weeks since I drove this thing. How the hell did it die? Oh, hold on. Never mind. User error. Okay guys, this is happening. I'm gonna go cut that tree down. The one that's been keeping me up at night. Well, not really, but I'm a little wary of cutting it down. It's massive. And as I was tying up that rope, it actually feels like it's very hollow inside, so who knows what is going to happen once I start cutting him. And I'm also braving this with an 18-inch saw, so you can imagine how worried I am. That saw is a little bit small, but hopefully it goes well. You guys get to witness it either way. Wish me luck.
sweat. Chain's gone. Gotta sharpen it. Not really cutting anymore. It's just making fine sawdust. Wow. Awesome. So we did it. This tree's a little rotted out, much like the other one that I cut. So you can see here, pretty much all this is just junk. But the inside looks good, so should be able to get some firewood out of it. I'll probably, I don't know what I'll do with the stump. I might just leave it, let it be. I think if you take the bark off, actually, it might not rot as fast. So I was actually hoping that tree would fall that way, but I think just the way I made the cut, he decided to fall this way. But that's okay. Actually, that's even better. Didn't plan on it like that, but the way he fell was perfect, right between the two trees. Didn't really cause too much damage, which is also important. So now we're just left to do the cleanup. This will be quite a bit of work to cut all this up, split it, put it away. Luckily, my friends, it is April and the days are a little bit longer, so I don't think it actually gets dark until almost 8 o'clock. I have no idea what time it is now. I'm thinking probably somewhere around 4. So I should be able to put a good dent in this tree at least tonight. And then that leaves me tomorrow to do other stuff. There's those maples that I also need to cut down because they are dead and they are leaning onto the road. And I don't want them falling on somebody or falling on the road when we're not here, and then people can get in and it's a problem. So that is the plan. But I'm gonna go sharpen that chain. I'm gonna load up the trailer with whatever I already cut up and take that away, and yeah, we'll just keep at it. See if you can get this fire started. All this is wet. Some of it is wet. There's like snow and stuff underneath, but maybe this will help. This cardboard doesn't want to burn. What kind of paper is this? Burn. See how hot this is how bad things start. You had a plan and then it's just not going to plan. Come on. Better luck with this. Okay, ready? That's the explosion I was hoping for. lens is dirty. I think this saw is at its limit with this size of a tree. It's really, really struggling. And it's not even like a maple or something, you know? But it's just killing the chain. Like, it started off really good, and now it's just making a little sawdust. It's not as bad as that other one. This one still has some, well, not that, but still has some good salvageable wood. This tree's pretty old though, like, I don't know, there's a lot of rings. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, too many to count, but this tree's probably, well, let's count from here, so this isn't even it, but like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9, 60, and I probably missed about 10, so this tree's probably about 70 to 80 years old. Wild. Ugh. Which means it's almost twice my age. Wow. Almost. Right now, let's go get this wood split and put away. And I think by the time we're done that, it's going to be dark. Oh. Man, I'm just being retarded today with this. Too heavy. Still burning. Sweet. All right, guys. I guess that's enough work for today. It's dark. It is 8:30. Yeah, so bachelor life. We got real cream, rosé, and gonna make this, I guess. So eating gourmet again, some sandwiches, and I think I'm gonna make this. And look at all the other crap. That's dinner tomorrow. That's breakfast Monday if I stay, and then there's some pasta salad. So yeah, I think the trend is whenever I come up here by myself, I just try and eat the worst possible crap I can. Oh yeah, gourmet. Ho ho ho! Yes, guys. Let's try this. Ready? It's actually pretty good. Dr. Edgar. Yum. Oh, maybe I'm cutting it wrong. Another beautiful day, guys. So I did a thing on my chainsaw the other day, like not a review, but just a comment. And yeah. Anyways, so I think there is a part in there that's attached to the handle. There's like a spool with the string on it, and flies are already out. Anyways, so it's made out of plastic, like the sprocket, which I don't know who thought that was a great idea to do that. And it goes into a metal, I don't know, another sprocket, I guess. And that's what actually starts the motor. And the plastic teeth are worn out. I mean, other than that, the saw is great. If you get it started, it runs, no problem. It's just that one part is a little worn out, so I'm gonna try and see if I can maybe get that somewhere. But if I can't, then really that saw's garbage, because my shoulder's on fire even today from all the pulling, because sometimes it will catch and you'll actually get it to start, but it takes like probably 20 pulls just to get one good one. So as you can imagine, that's a lot of stress on the shoulder trying to get this thing going. But yeah, if you guys have any leads on chainsaw parts, especially for Ryobi, leave me a comment. That'll be super helpful. Or I wonder if maybe they're all like universal. It might actually be able to get one from a different saw and use it. But anyways, I'm gonna try and see if I can get this thing going, and if I can, then I'm gonna finish cutting up that big log and split it. There's some cleanup that I need to do here. There's stuff everywhere, branches and whatever. It's a mess from the last storm that we had. But beautiful day. Like, the weather's perfect. It's not too hot, so yeah, hopefully make some good progress today. And to make sure we make good progress today, gotta start it off with a good beer. I think this is one of my favorites. Love it. Shout out to Muskoka Brewery. No, we're not sponsored by them. Look at all the flies, guys. They are enjoying the warm weather. Can't even blame them. They're annoying, but Well, I managed to do some more cutting, and then I think I ran out of gas or something, but the saw won't start. So still have this chunk left, and yeah, so I'm gonna go split this for now and see if I can get the saw going again so I can come back and finish this up. It's hard work. Things are moving a little slower today. A little achy. And it doesn't help that I can't get my saw to work. It's all just rot. Okay. Wow, you guys don't need to watch this. It's kind of all the same. But even though it's really rotted on the outside, like the inside is actually really good wood for campfires. It'll be perfect once it dries out. Hopefully that works. Oh, what a beautiful day. Feels so nice to be outside with short sleeves and no hat. And the bugs aren't here yet. At least they're not bad. There's some flies and stuff. Alright guys, well, I got most of the work done, not everything. Unfortunately, I have to head home today instead of tomorrow like I was originally planning. But got a good chunk of the work done. The tree's down. Most of it is cut up. It's just cleanup and those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds that are left. Seven rounds. So I'll have to split those next time we come back. But it's off the road. Did a lot of other things just cleaning up after the last storm. There's a bunch of branches and sticks all over the place and so forth. But anyways, so this brings me to the end of the video. I gotta head home. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one and join me on the next one.